We are here, Bath and Body Works. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Ningo, kami din ningo. Nang bubble gum. This is the one. Nan, this is the one. How much this one? Bubble gum.
Our rewards program just got rewarding. Now you can redeem your rewards for even more of the products you love, up to $8.95 value. That's more fragrances, more gifts, and more ways to come up to your senses than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Check your wallet in the app to see if you have a reward today, or ask an associate at checkout.
Hi, how are you? What are we picking up today? Oh, okay. Everything on the wall is full price and I can help you find anything, let me know.
This one is 50. The old one that I sent to you is 50% me. But this is the new one. Versioning 75%. Ang dati, kung agin bakal, yun padalada na. Tapos, ang ari ng 3 sa isa di 7. Tiara lang ana yun. Nan, mabalik lang ko di. I will be back. Men's papa.
No need, I have.
Ha?
I have. I like what I have.
There's no lotion. If lotion, I will get one lotion. This one. Ang mabango, balang lotion. Siguro ang isa lotion. Ariyo, lotion sang blueberry. This one is body cream, pink. Hindi man. Where is the this one? What is that?